but the development of science and technology today, smart devices have brought us great convenience, but the daily cleaning needs are more diversified. Faced with different scenes in the family, it is often necessary to prepare different cleaning tools such as sweeping robots, vacuum cleaners, mite removers, etc. Roborock launched the Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Plus in September last year. It has 17,000 Pascal super suction, integrated cleaning and mopping, double roller brushes, self-cleaning and drying. It is already an all-round flagship product. This time Roborock has brought a new product, Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra, which is actually hard to imagine. How can it be upgraded? Taking out the Roborock Smart Scrubber A10 Ultra, the first feeling is that there are really too many accessories, but it is relatively simple. If you have a scrubber or a vacuum cleaner at home, you can quickly combine them. The Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra still continues the previous style as a whole. The whole cleaner is mainly black and white, but there are obvious changes in the details. When disassembled, the position of the clean water bucket has been moved from the top to the back of the product. The capacity has been increased to 950 milliliters, and the sewage tank is 770 milliliters. At the same time, the compact host uses a 4000 mAh supercapacity lithium battery, which is fully enough for 1 to 2 times of deep cleaning. It is worth mentioning that cleaning, sterilization and disinfection are also very important. It is equipped with silver-ion antibacterial technology. It is equipped with a slow-release silver-ion device in the clean water tank and sewage tank. At the same time, the roller brush and filter are also added with silver-ion antibacterial material. Realize the antibacterial ability of the whole ink, and the antibacterial efficiency is as high as 99%. In addition, the Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra has the function of automatically adding cleaning liquid. The overall use logic of the Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra is very simple. There is an LED color display on the top of the cleaner, which can display prompts such as working mode, power, water filling and pouring, as well as voice prompts, which are also very friendly to the elderly. The buttons are all concentrated on the top handle, and there are only power button, mode switch, and self-cleaning switch, which greatly reduces the cost of use. Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra uses double roller brushes this time, which is much better than traditional single roller brushes in terms of coverage, cleaning ability and driving experience. The double brush scheme of Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra can be cleaned in a T-shape. The front roller brush is driven by the center to cover both sides. No matter which direction can clean the corner position very well. In addition, the front and rear roller brushes rotate in opposite directions to the center line, which is very beneficial. The garbage missed by the front roller brush will be cleaned again by the rear roller brush, which is cleaner. The Roborock Cleaning Cleaner A10 Ultra is also multi-cleaning. The double-row roller brushes are equipped with 32 water spray holes, which can evenly spray clean water on the roller brushes during the work process and cooperate with a floating scraper to effectively scrape the dirt on the roller brushes. Water stains. Among them, the 3-dimensional suspension scraper can also adjust the golden angle between the roller brush and the scraper at 75 degrees to 83 degrees in real time, according to the state of the roller brush, to ensure that water stains are more controllable. Interestingly, the Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra comes with an intelligent dirt recognition function. It uses infrared rays to irradiate the roller brush and detects the intensity of the reflected light to intelligently detect the severity of the stain. Adjust the suction, water volume, and roller brush speed according to the actual ground conditions. Wipe lightly on dirt and wipe heavily on heavy dirt. In fact, you can see from the stand that the most ingenious feature of the Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra is that it can seamlessly switch between the scrubber and the vacuum cleaner, perfectly solving the cleaning of the whole house and all scenes. At the same time, while greatly reducing the space occupied by cleaning tools, it also saves the cost of purchasing other cleaning tools. It is very simple to change from a scrubber to a cordless vacuum cleaner. Remove the main body of the Roborock Smart Scrubber A10 Ultra from the main body and install the dust bucket. This completes the main body of the small cleaner, which can be used with floor brushes, beds brush, 2-in-1 crevice brush. The 2-in-1 crevice brush is convenient for cleaning the dust in the crevices, such as the crevices of bookshelves that have been dusted for a long time, or the crevices of sofas and other places that are not easy to clean. In addition, with the extension rod, it can directly absorb the dust in the corner. These accessories come as a random gift, there is no need to purchase extra, and it also saves space and plug-in strips. It can clean large and small spaces in the house, and it can truly clean the whole house with one cleaner. In terms of self-cleaning, the Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra benefits from the double roller brush appearance. It adopts two-way scrubbing and self-cleaning. The roller brush will rotate forward and reverse alternately. And the dirt on the inner wall of the brush head does not need to manually clean the stubborn dirt again like the one-way rotating model, further liberating your hands. After the floor scrubber is placed on the base, click the self-cleaning button to perform self-cleaning, providing 2 different gears, standard self-cleaning and deep self-cleaning. In terms of drying, this time the Roborock Smart Floor Washing Cleaner A10 Ultra has been upgraded with 3-dimensional hot air drying. The air outlets of the base have been upgraded from a single row to 3 rows. During the drying process, the roller brush will also rotate at intervals, which can not only receive heat in all directions, but also introduce hot air into the body cavity. The drying rate is greater than 99%, and you can choose to dry between 1 to 6 hours according to your own needs. In general, the Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra basically covers all the functions of the mopping cleaners on the market, and the floor scrubbing function has been optimized in detail. The double-row roller brushes are T-shaped for cleaning, and there is zero welt on both sides. With a powerful suction of 17,000 pascals, double the cleaning efficiency is achieved. In addition, it adds multifunctional brush heads for 3-dimensional vacuuming and mite removal, and supports 3-dimensional washing and drying self-cleaning, 4-fold antibacterial, intelligent dirt recognition, etc. in the full scene, no dead angle, super labor saving, easy maintenance, more value added 5 aspects, fully meet the needs of users for cleaning the whole house. To put it bluntly, the biggest highlight of the Roborock Smart Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra is aggregation. While maintaining the cleaning ability and experience, one function can be used for multiple purposes. Purchase 1 and get 4, making cleaning more worry-free and convenient. If you want to purchase an all-round cleaning product with one cleaner and multiple functions, saving worry, labor and space, the Ultra Clean All-Round King Roborock Intelligent Floor Scrubber A10 Ultra must be the first choice. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.